Welcome back. You're watching Money, 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 and it's time for our tip of the week.
Betting on your big dream, looking at starting up, are those hefty valuations and exits creating a hurry? While Inventors advisors say it is true that there are only about 150 to 200 serious venture capital deals that are done in the country. If you get about 5 or 6 exits of that kind, it is a good ratio. We are still not getting that 5 or 6 number, but we are getting there. So stress not. We, along with experts at Deck App Technologies, will help you decode some complexities around valuations and investments before starting up. The startups hitting the headlines are the outliers, primarily in the e-commerce space, who have caught the fancy of global investors and are now facing a problem of plenty in terms of choosing whom to raise money from and how much to raise. The primary driver of these valuations is the entry of new breed of investors, international hedge funds that operate under a vastly different set of rules and imperatives compared to the local Indian investors. Remember, unlike the public markets, where share price and company valuation is the result of some broad shared expectations by a broad set of players, valuations in private companies is simply the result of one or few investors making it as a peg to determine their ownership percentage. But it isn't international money only. There is a lot more capital entering the system. Almost all local Indian investors are raising new funds to deploy, and Deck App Technologies says that this is because there is an unprecedented opportunity to raise significant capital from a vast array of investors beyond the usual suspects. It might make sense to capitalize on this opportunity before the competitor does. Lastly, Indian investors are moving upstream and investing in deals earlier than they were traditionally doing so. Most of the marquee firms now have dedicated seed funds. This is good news for a lot of aspiring entrepreneurs who have yet not achieved product market fit, as they can hope to do secure funding mandates more easily than before. But experts at Deck App Technologies give you a word of caution. Don't get swayed away by headlines about billion-dollar valuations, but make a healthy and a wise decision.
Viewers, remember, keep writing to us at moneymoneymoney@network18online.com. You can also find us on Twitter. Write to CNBC TV 18 News. Use the hashtag money. And remember that you can also log on to YouTube to catch this as well as all our previous episodes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next week.